Dong, why do 85% of Roblox players still type instead of talk? They haven't unlocked voice chat yet. Let's fix that in under a minute. First off, you gotta be 13 or older. No sneaky baby accounts allowed. Roblox is strict on this one. Next, verify your age. The easiest way? Grab a real ID, passport, driver's license, or a national ID, and snap a selfie on your phone. Roblox checks you're the real deal. Sometimes verifying your phone number works too, but ID is the gold standard. Once you're age verified, crack open your settings. On desktop, hit the gear icon. On mobile, tap those 3 dots. Head to Privacy and Content Maturity, scroll to Communication, and toggle on Use Microphone to chat with voice. Boom, green means go. Pro tip, not all Roblox games use voice chat. Look for games with the spatial voice icon. And hey, keep it friendly, voice chat is moderated. Now grab your headset and get talking.